Hello and welcome to Tao Energy Movement. My name is Isla and today we are going to practice the Paratan Bija sound KRIM. KRIM relates to Lord Krisna and gives power, control of emotions, sexuality, and attractiveness, while simultaneously promoting detachment. It helps awaken and purify the subtle body. KRIM is the thunderbolt that destroys the serpent of ignorance and releases the light of absolute truth. While opening the fifth and second chakra, KRIM holds the supreme life force. It is a very strong mantra. Use it wisely. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply to begin. KRIM. 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 Inhale deeply. Exhale, feel the vibration. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale to neutralize. Namaste. Thank you for joining us today. To learn more, Contact me directly at 206-465-4430 or email me through taoenergymovement.com. You can also sign up for our monthly newsletter. Look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.